Trying to log into Telegram, but it just says check your internet connection? You're not alone, and the issue isn't always your Wi-Fi or mobile data. This error can happen for deeper reasons, and if you don't fix it right away, it'll keep coming back. But don't worry, I'll show you the fastest way to solve it and get back into your Telegram account. So let's fix it right now. Step 1. Test your internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Open Safari or any browser. Now, try visiting any website. If the website doesn't load, your internet is the problem. Quick tips to fix this. Pull down from the top of your screen to open Control Center. Now turn on airplane mode for 10 to 20 seconds. Then turn it back off. Try Telegram again. Step 2. Update Telegram. If your internet is working fine, make sure you're using the latest version of Telegram. Open the App Store, then search for Telegram. If you see an update button, tap it to install the latest update. Step 3. Offload and reinstall Telegram. If updating didn't help, try reinstalling the app. First, open your phone settings. Now tap on General, then iPhone Storage. Find Telegram in the list and tap it. Tap Offload app, then confirm. Once it finishes, tap Reinstall app. This clears the app's cached data without deleting your chats. Step 4. Check date, time, and region settings. Incorrect date or region can also cause connection problems. In Settings, tap on General, then tap Date and Time. Make sure to Set Automatically is enabled. Go back, tap Language and Region. Ensure your correct region and language are selected. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss future tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.